He is the founder of Conversion Designer Philippines. It's a community that aims to provide Filipino creatives build a successful freelance landing page design service business. Please welcome Errol Tiozon II. Hello,
Mm.
Errol.
It's an honor to be here. It's an honor to share some knowledge about the business of landing page design. First of all, I would like to thank Graphic Artists Philippines and also MSI for, for holding this kind of live events para makapag-provide ng resources for all the Filipino creatives out there na matutulungan natin. So, I promised you na if you stay until the end, I'm gonna be giving you something free. And then yung hint dun is it can help you charge more. Who had experienced this? Yung tipong may client na magsasabi sa inyo na, madali lang naman yung design na yan. It's just easy to do. Yun, next is, sino yung naka-encounter na ng ganitong client? Yung sinasabi na, well, other designers can do this for less. Sino yung naka-encounter ng ganito? Diretso tayo. Now, what if I tell you that there's a skill that allows you to have results like this, wherein you can earn 150,000 pesos as a retaining designer, and you could also charge $1,000 for, for a landing page design. And of course, meron kaming isang student or member that was able to earn 100,000 pesos in 2 days. And of course, kung meron kayong ganitong skill is mapapasabi niyo yung client na shut up and take my money. And lastly, this skill would also allow you to make money while you sleep.
Super excited ako because I
Ay.
really like to learn this topic kasi it's upskill for me.
Oo.
Yeah, I know landing pages pero
Oo.
the how the business works, hindi ko pa talaga
Okay. So yung deeper
nadidig
na
deep
niya, no?
into that. Yes, correct.
Okay. Sige. So we will, I will try my best na, especially I know na nag-prepare ka ng question, Miss Aiza. So if there's anything na mas mapapa-enlighten kita and then yung other audiences, I will make sure to address them as well. So yun, start tayo. Yung live session natin for today is more on the business of landing page design. Now, just a disclaimer guys, this is not a get-rich-quick thing. Okay? Baka sabihin nyo kasi na, makaka-earn ka agad ng 100K. Hindi ganun. This is not a get-rich-quick thing. Syempre, meron tayong i-follow na process. And of course, I'm gonna be sharing the process with you guys. A little bit of background about me. If hindi nyo ako kilala, I'm Errol Tiozon. I'm a self-taught designer, then naging graphic designer, then naging web designer, tapos naging UX person, tapos nag-focus na lang sa landing page design kasi yung previous company na pinagtatrabahoan ko, they were always using landing page to attract more sign-ups. So I was like, bakit hindi na lang ako mag-landing page? At least isang page lang yung de-design ko. And then 2020, I founded Conversion Designers Philippines. It's a community of aspiring landing page designers or conversion designers. So ito yung mga businesses and then brands that I've had the opportunity to work with. So ito sila. And then of course, yung talk outline natin, we have 6 topics. So the first question is why most businesses are obsessed with using landing page instead of a website. So we will answer this through a story, through data, and also analogy. Okay? Kasi when we use a story, it's more digestible, and of course kung meron tayong data, at least alam natin na numbers never lie, and of course kung may analogy tayo, mas ma-retain natin yung information. So yun, there were 3 main demand drivers bakit mas dumami yung demand sa landing page. Number 1 is pandemic, rising advertising cost, and of course yung finding minimum viable product fast. So ganito yung nangyari, due to the pandemic last 2020, businesses were forced to transition online, especially yung mga brick and mortars. Say for example, yung mga abogado, chiropractors, they were forced to transition their business online. Kasi nga, for them to stay in the business, they need to transform, they need to evolve, they need to adapt. And then of course, dahil nga nag-transition na sila online, they heavily relied on online advertising to get customers. Hindi sila nag-SEO kasi Mahirap yun eh. Magsusulat ka pa ng mga articles. So what they did is, they did the shortcut. They used paid advertising. And dahil nga mas dumami yung advertisers, what happened is that high demand would also cause a high cost. And ang nangyari is, nagkaroon ng spike in market competition in the online space. And lastly, this forced them to be strategic with their online marketing efforts. So, ang ginagawa nila to be strategic is they're using some form of strategy wherein they would get the email information of their target customers so that they could follow up with them, or maybe other forms of contact information. And yun nga, they looked for ways to test their offers fast at a lower cost, and that's why they prefer using landing page to have competitive edge. Kasi nga, I'm not sure guys if you have encountered pages wherein kunyari may free ebook, tas mada-download nyo lang yung ebook na yun if you give your email address or phone number. Yun nga, if you have encountered pages wherein ina-ask kayo ng email address, that's lead generating landing page, okay, or opt-in page. So yun yung ginagawa ng mga businesses. They use landing page to get your email information. That way they could follow up with you and at a lower cost na. And then eto din yung nangyari dahil nga sa pandemic. And by the way, this is a stat for 2021. And as you can see, mas dumami yung online advertising ngayon. Yung 2022, 441 billion yung cost ng advertising or online space ngayon sa online advertising. So that means na every time na nag-i-increase yung demand for online advertising, mas tumataas din yung demand ng landing page design. Kasi nga, most of the advertisers, even the agency, they prefer using landing page over website. Okay? So every time lumalaki yung online advertising budget ng mga businesses, mas lumalaki yung demand ng landing page. And this is another data. If you go to Google Trends and then you search for the term na landing page, you will see that the trajectory is going up. Same sa nangyari kanina, na the more the online advertising increases or the budget increases, the more the demand for landing page would also increase. Okay? For sure, may iba dito na magsasabi na, well, bakit hindi na lang gumamit ng website? Bakit landing page pa? So, eto yung analogy ko sa inyo. Now, if you are gonna be using a computer, which would you use when navigating that computer? Are you going to use the command line tool wherein magta-type pa kayo ng coordinates kung gusto nyo lang ma-open yung isang application? Or you would use the method B wherein you just use a mouse and then double-click an icon? Hindi lang isang page yung i-build mo. There are multiple things or there are multiple pages that you would build. Now, if you are a business owner and gusto mong matest kaagad yung offer mo, matest kaagad kung may market sa product mo, you would want to test that specific product fast. Hindi ka na makakapag-antay kasi nga yung goal mo is to check if there is a market demand. And parang yung sa command line lang, I mean, bakit ka pa magta-type when you could just, just click onto something? Kasi sa website, there are multiple pages. Sobrang bagal niyang i-build. Kahit pa may mga no-code builders dyan, sobrang bagal pa rin niyang ma-launch. As compared sa landing page na, it's just one page and then you will immediately see kung may demand or wala. And then it's faster to iterate, it's faster to improve and stuff like that. So yun, parang yung relationship natin dito or yung pagka-relate natin dito is yung mouse is yung landing page. Okay? Pero Errol, hindi pa rin ako naniniwala kasi hindi ko alam ano nga ba yung difference ng website tsaka landing page. So yun, what's the difference between a website from a landing page? Now, landing page versus website. Punta tayo sa definition. Website is a collection of web pages that either provides information or to sell products and services. Okay? So ulitin natin, yung keywords natin dito, collection of web pages, meaning marami yung pages. Now, landing page, it's just a single web page that isolates the visitor to focus on one conversion goal. Guys, naka-encounter na ba kayo na pumunta kayo sa isang restaurant tas pagtingin nyo ng menu nila, instead na makapili kayo ng pagkain, you ended up being confused kung ano yung kakainin mo or ano yung pipiliin mo. Basically, yung analogy na yun wherein na-confuse kayo kung ano yung pipiliin yung pagkain, it's just like when you are visiting a website. May times na mas mag-click-click kayo sa links instead of buying something because gusto mong i-check yung iba dahil nga may option ka. As compared sa landing page, kumbaga, kung andun, kailangan mo lang ibigay yung email address mo, it's only answerable by yes or no. Ibibigay ko ba yung email ko or hindi? And that helps clients filter people who are interested from not interested. Kaya mas mabilis yung result sa landing page over website. Okay? So, yun. And here's another analogy for better understanding. Now, we have trap A, wherein yung mouse trap, may mga butas siya. And then si trap B, isa lang yung butas niya, isa lang yung entrance niya, isa lang din yung exit niya. Now, ang question ko dito is, which mouse trap will catch more? Trap A or trap B? So yun guys, if we relate it sa marketing side of things, I'm not saying na yung customers are daga, pero dito lang sa example natin na. Pero yung mga mouse dito, they are the customers. And then the cheese is the advertising. And then yung balde na marami yung butas is a website. Kasi nga, di ba sa website marami yung links, may homepage, may FAQ page, may pricing page, may about us page pa, may contact us page pa. So marami yung pwede mong i-click na page before ka magbigay ng email information mo or if you want to add to cart. So sa landing page naman, isa lang talaga yung andun na if I ask for your email address, yes or no lang. Kung ayaw mo, you can close the tab or you can close the browser. So, yun yung landing page over website. Okay? Now, you might be asking, okay, Errol, gets ko na. Mas madali pala si landing page as compared sa website. Kasi si website, marami yung pages. And then, mas prefer ng mga clients gumamit ng landing page kasi nga, mas mabilis siyang ma-implement, mas mabilis siyang ma-launch. Pero Errol, gusto ko pa rin malaman, ano yung opportunities para sa akin if I offer or if I decide to offer landing page design? Now, you would be able to get results like this. Like yung mga members namin sa Conversion Designers Philippines, they're able to get $3,000 na retainer as a landing page designer. Some of them are able to get clients na $1,000 per landing page. That's around 58,000. Mayroon namang isa na 100K in 2 days. Meron din iba na 1,300 sa landing page design. And then may iba naman na binabayaran sila just to check up their landing page or yung landing page ng client, is babayaran sila. And then may iba naman na kahit bago pa lang nakakapag-charge ng $300. And then of course, meron kaming isang student, ayaw niyang i-reveal yung name niya, but he is earning a passive income as a landing page designer. So, meron siyang 700 per month sa landing page design na skill. There are 6 ways of making money as a landing page designer. Unahin natin yung active way. Yung active way is, pwede kang magbenta ng landing page design service. And of course, kung sa mga designers dito, ayaw yung nagre-revise kayo, when you become a landing page designer, mas gugustuhin yung mag-revise kayo ng paulit-ulit. Kasi yung pinapa-revise sa inyo is, number 1, i-change nyo yung headline copy, i-change nyo lang yung description, tapos pwede i-change yung color ng button, say for example from green button, gawin yung red button, and that right there is optimization service or A/B testing service na parang pinapatest talaga kung ano yung mas maganda yung performance na landing page. So kung ayon yung nagre-revise kayo, if you are a landing page designer, mas gugustuhin yung mag-revise kayo. Kasi every time you revise or you create a variation, ang mangyayari is you are getting paid. And then habang napapaganda mo pa yung performance, you are getting a bonus. Okay? And then of course, aside from that, you can also offer consulting service. Okay? Pwede kang mag-feedback sa mga client and then sasabihin mo, eto yung mali, eto yung pwede nyong improve, and then you get paid for your thinking or your advice. Okay? And then yung passive way of earning as a landing page designer is, of course, yung mga platforms, they allow you to sell landing page templates. Kasi other people would prefer using templates, mas mapabilis. Diba may ibang designers dito na they would use like plugins or Photoshop actions na binili nila. Same din sa landing page design. You can sell your landing page templates to other people. And then you can also, like yung referral program naman, is you recommending a landing page builder, and then kung mag-sign up sila sa link mo, you get a commission, or it's an affiliate marketing. And then yung lastly is commission-based pricing. An example of this na medyo nakaka-relate ako is yung client namin. So basically, when someone or when their prospect would sign up to their landing page, like maglalagay yung prospect nila ng name and then email address, I get paid $2 per sign up. Now sabihin lang natin naman na may 500 sign-ups in a month. That's already $1,000 passive. I no longer need to work. Pwede akong matulog kasi nga I get $2 per sign-up. You get a commission based on those results that you are giving them. So, yun ang opportunities in offering landing page design.
Grabe, amazing yung matutulog ka na lang kumikita ka, no? Which is,
Mm.
everyone wants that.
Oo, as in, dati kasi hindi ko ma-realize na, okay, ganun pala yung power ni landing page. Tas, yung nangyari is, I really, dig deeper na binasa ko yung mga blogs ng mga landing page builders. Tapos, ang ginawa ko rin is, iniintindi ko bakit may ganun silang program. Tapos hanggang na-compile ko na, okay, pwede palang ganito. So, yun. So far, maganda yung So, I mean, I'm not hyping it, pero for me, settled na ako sa skill na to.
Oh, I have a question pala.
Yes.
Is it yung mga landing pages ba mas effective pag may mga freebies sila based on your experience? Mas marami, kunyari, free, nakikita ko yung mga free ebooks or
Yes.
pag nag-sign up sila, they get a free item.
Actually, yung tawag sa ganyan is lead magnet, wherein it's more on based on the principle of reciprocity or utang na loob. So when you give something for free, especially if valuable for the people, kumbaga okay lang sa kanila na ibigay nila yung email address mo, and based on working with clients, dun talaga sila nag-start. Nagbibigay sila ng freebie and then mas nagwo-work siya. Pero not all freebies are created equal. So ang mangyayari dun is you need to, actually yung ginagawa namin is we always ask the audience kung magbibigay kami ng freebie, ano yung gusto nyong ma-receive. Tapos pag sumagot sila, yeah.
Survey siya, parang ganun.
Oo, nagsisurvey kami para at least kung ano yung gusto nila, we will, kung afford naman, we would definitely use that as a lead magnet or a freebie para makuha yung email address nila or yung contact information. And so far, it's been working naman na ganun yung approach.
Siyempre, gusto ng mga tao, pag nakakita ng free, no? It's
Oo.
really a magnet of database.
Always talaga yun. Tapos, ang pinakamaganda pa dun is, pag sobrang valuable talaga ng freebie mo, ang nangyayari is that those audience are super proud to share it with others. So ngayon, nagkaroon ka pa ng viral effect. So yung brands mas na-prefer nila na okay, gumamit na lang tayo ng ganito. So yun yung power niya. Okay, Errol, gets ko na. Marami pala yung opportunities to be sa landing page design. Meron palang passive, meron din palang active. So meaning kahit tumanda ako, okay lang. So, pero Errol ngayon, since marami din yung mag-offer ng landing page, paano ako makaka-stand out? How would I stand out from the competition? Kasi we have to admit there will always be a competition. And sometimes, competition is bad if you look at it in a bad way. But for me, kung merong competition, that means that the market is growing. Ang question na lang ngayon is how to stand out. Now, ito yung quick question ko. Mag-analogy muna tayo before we dive deeper. Now, ang question ko dito sa inyo is, especially sa mga designers dito, which is aesthetically pleasing? Image A, ito siya, or ito, image B, wala, ang pangit ng typography nila, kulang na lang maging Comic Sans to. May init na yung ulo natin.
Ilang fonts ba yung ginamit dyan?
Feeling ko 3 eh.
Iba-iba, no?
Oo, iba-iba.
Oh.
So, yun, aesthetically pleasing, A or B. Now, puntahan natin yung performance niya kasi kumbaga, sabi pa nga ni Steve Jobs, design is not just how it looks, it also how it works. Okay? So dito sa performance analysis natin, if makikita nyo, yung visual analysis kung paano yung takbo ng mata ng tao, sabi dito na mas nakikita nila kaagad yung mga bukid and then yung get a super hero design team to grow your business pero hindi na click-click yung button, hindi kaagad na click-click yung button. Meaning, even if this design is aesthetically pleasing, hindi siya nakaka-generate ng pera. As compared to this one, dun pa lang sa headline, 79% of the people, yun yung first nilang nakikita, 98% are looking at the exact framework we use, and then yung 65% is pinapasad yung cheat sheet, meaning na click-click nila yung button. And by the way, hindi ko na lang nilagay dito yung data, pero kahit ganito kapangit yung landing page na to, it's generating millions. Okay? Ito siya, hindi
Oh.
ko to nakita. Kasi gusto ko sanang ibigay yung data nito, pero gusto ko kasi din i-share kung ano sana yung data or performance nito, kaso hindi ko mahanap sa internet. Ito siya, this is generating millions. I think around 1.3 million per year kahit ganito kapangit yung design. Ugly is, subjective. Beautiful is also subjective. Okay? So, yun siya. Kahit aesthetically pleasing yung isa, in terms of performance, hindi siya nanalo dun sa pangit na design. Now, my question to you is, who would you pay more for? You pay for a service that gives you cool or pero hindi siya nakakapag-generate ng money or makes you lose money, or you pay for something that's uncool, sayop tong malitong typography, but makes you gain more money. Ang goal natin ngayon is for you to stand out, you have to fill the communication gap. Kasi tingnan natin yung designer versus business owner thought process. Sa designer, eto palagi yung thought process nila. Say for example, a client would ask you, "Uy, paggawa nga ako ng landing page." Ang first na i-question natin is number 1, anong tool yung gagamitin ko? Next is, ano yung design trend na pwede kong i-follow ngayon? Next is, anong magandang typeface yung gagamitin ko? Next is, ano nga ba yung magandang color combination? Pag ganito yung pag ganito yung first questions nyo when someone asks you or when a client asks you to do something, may it be a social media design, may it be a graphic design, or may it be a website. Now, punta tayo sa business owner na side. When a business owner would ask a designer to do something, say for example, a landing page, a graphics, or even a logo, number 1 na question ni business owner is, how soon can I get this campaign to be finished? How soon can I get this logo to be finished? Number 2 is, how many customers can I get using this logo, using this landing page? Next is, how soon can I get my return on investment? And then lastly is, does this designer even understand my business goal? So, titingnan nyo, merong barrier dyan, yung language. Yung thought process ni business owner is different from a designer. Si designer is focused on the execution side. Paano niya gagawin, ano yung typeface na gagamitin. Si business owner, always siyang nagtatopic all about ROI, return on capital, return on investment, or business goals. Okay? Now, ang gagawin natin is we want to make sure na we are speaking the same language. If we want to stand out, if we want to charge more, yung typeface, yung color combination, yung tools na gagamitin natin, itago na lang natin sa sarili natin or kahit makipag-usap tayo sa iba't ibang designer. Kasi another analogy here is, say for example, magpapa-check up kayo. Sino yung pipiliin yung doktor? Yung isang doktor na ipapakita nila yung diploma nila, yung certificate nila, or andun ka sa doktor na tatanungin ka kung ano yung pakiramdam mo. Most probably, you're gonna be choosing a doctor who's gonna be asking you kung ano yung pakiramdam mo, ano yung ininom mong gamot, as compared to someone na focus masyado dun sa certificate nila. Same din yan sa designers. Pag focus tayo so much on the aesthetic part, mas hindi tayo na-value ng client. So kung mag-speak tayo ng same language with the client, we're gonna be able to charge more. And for us to do that, we need to understand the income stream problem. Okay? Yan yung magpapastand out sa atin.
Pag ano ba, for landing page designer ba, do you also have mga project briefs? Kasi 'di ba for designer, they have project briefs from client before they work on a particular project. So
Mhm.
sa landing page ba, meron din bang project brief or similar
Yes.
to that?
Yes, merong project brief, pero may times like for me personally and also sa members ng CDPH, we
Mhm.
always encourage na tanungin mo talaga si client kasi may times na feeling natin alam ni client kung ano yung gusto nila. But may times din na ang binibigay lang talaga ni client sa atin is yung parang gusto lang nilang makita. Pero we are also designers. Ito yung advantage ng being a designer over other skills. I'm not stepping on anyone's shoes, pero this is true. When you are a creative person, you always look or you always solve problems in a different way. You always look at things in a different way. Kumbaga, creative talaga tayo. So, ang sinishare ko palagi is always ask the client, hey client, I know that you wanted to build this landing page, but just a quick question, what sort of problem are you wanting to solve using this landing page? So, dyan pala, kasi may iba na sasabihin lang na, ganito yung gusto kong itsura, pero hindi natin maintindihan, bakit ganun yung itsura na gusto mo?
You really need to squeeze out yung ano
Yes.
problem nila, no? Paminsan kasi sa first question mo hindi pa agad doon lumalabas yung gusto nilang mangyari.
Because yun nga, when you try to uncover the real motivation why they are asking you to do something, ang nangyayari is they would feel that they are understood. And then kung ikaw, dahil nga creative ka, you look at things, you solve things in a different way. And then ngayon, instead of you being the hand or an executioner, ang tingin na sa'yo ng client is a partner, which hindi siya magkakaroon ng problema to pay you higher kasi nga you had the audacity you had the audacity and also you had the courage to ask them a good question, and that's what clients value more. So yun,
Right. Thank you for that.
hindi natin ipapakomplicate yung mga bagay-bagay kasi there are a lot of parts ng income stream problem. Pero we are just gonna be focusing on three. And then I learned this from John Pagulayan or JTL. So, ang sabi niya, there are only three main problems of any business owner, any client, kahit anong business pa man yan, there are only three problems. Number one is, how do I attract customers? Next problem is, how do I make them buy? The next problem is, how do I make them buy again? So, in a marketing term, pwede natin sabihin na their problem is generating leads or getting contact information, getting email address, getting phone numbers. Those are generating leads. Next is sales, add to cart, purchase, checkout. Like sa Lazada, main problem nila palagi is getting sales. That's why they are doing yung monthly sales. Like sa Shopee, ang yung 12-12 or 11-11 sale. Kasi ang problem nila always is sales. And lastly is retaining customers like Netflix. Paano nila i-ensure na magsusubscribe ka sa next month, the next month? Kaya papansinin nyo, pag magsusubscribe kayo ng internet, may tinatawag na lock-in period before kayo mag-terminate. I think sa PLDT, it's around 2 years before kayo mag-lock-in. Kasi nga, yung main problem nila is retaining customers. Pero yun guys, income stream, tatlo lang yan. Number 1, generating leads. Number 2, sales. Number 3 is retaining customers. Okay? And then, if we're gonna be ranking them from easy, yes, to hardest na kailangan mong matutunan, generating leads is the easiest. Si sales, moderate siya. Medyo kailangan mo ng iba't ibang skills para maintindihan to. And sa retaining customers, it's definitely the hardest. Kasi ang dami mong kailangan, madami yung moving pieces na kailangan mong asikasuhin para lang ma-retain yung isang customer. Kailangan may customer service kayo, kailangan may loyalty program kayo. Aside from that, kailangan may referral program din kayo para ma-refer nila yung family nila. So basically, sobrang dami ng moving pieces. So if you are starting out, I would definitely recommend going here. sa generating leads. Kasi yan yung easiest. But, just because siya yung easiest, doesn't mean na walang opportunity dyan. Okay? Why? Because based on data, this is 2022 data ha, from Startup Bonsai. You can go to HubSpot as well sa blog nila. It says na this 2022, 61% of marketers rank lead generation as their number one challenge. Okay? Ang reason bakit number one challenge nila is yung lead generation is this. I'm not sure if naaalala nyo yung iOS update, yung iPhone na hindi na daw makaka-track ng yung privacy thing nila. So, ang nangyayari ngayon is, dahil doon, yung mga advertising platforms like Facebook, Google Ads, YouTube Ads, even TikTok Ads, pag gusto nilang makita sila ng mga iPhone users, medyo nahihirapan sila. Kaya ngayon, nagkaroon ng lead generation problem. Ngayon, marami yung mga advertisers na hindi nila alam paano kukunin yung mga email address ng mga potential customers nila. Kaya naging malaki siya. So yun nga, I'm telling you, just because it's the easiest doesn't mean walang opportunity. Actually, siya yung mas may maraming opportunity. 61% of marketers rank lead generation as their number one challenge. And then if titingnan mo, 53% of marketers spend at least half of their budget on lead generation. Sipin nyo guys 53%. So kunyari, merong 100,000 budget yung isang company, 53,000 dun is just for lead generation. Now, kunyari mag-imagine lang tayo, what if you are a master designer for lead generation? Kasi ako personally, I focused on lead generation. I really wanted to specialize on creating lead generating landing pages. Kasi feeling ko siya yung mas madali. So, kunyari lang naman, what if you are one of the top lead generating designer or lead generating landing page designer? Wouldn't you agree na pag-aagawan ka ng mga marketers, pag-aagawan ka ng mga companies? They're even gonna pay you commissions kasi nga, they're already paying 53% of their budget. Now, sabihin lang natin you were able to lower their marketing cost maybe 40%. Nagawa na lang 40%. Now you can ask 13% per lead or per email. 'Di ba? Ang laki nun. Kunyari nasa finance yung client mo. Sabihin natin $500 yung isang email address. Wouldn't you agree na $60 is big per email address? So, ganun yung opportunity if you focus on lead generation. Okay? Now, you might be asking, pero Errol, paano ko ma-apply yung income stream sa akin? Kasi hindi ko alam paano siya i-apply. Now guys, ito yung one of the biggest mistake ng most freelancers and even designers. So, may times na sasabihin lang natin, especially sa mga profile natin, we're just gonna be calling ourselves na, well, I'm a graphic designer. Well, I'm a logo designer. Well, I'm a brand identity designer. Ganun lang yung pag-position natin sa self natin. How are you different from other designers? Other designers are also doing it. So if you call yourself a graphic designer or a landing page designer, how would a client see you as someone na different? Paano ka mag-stand out? The way for you to stand out is, gagawin mong I create lead generating landing page. Pwede din lead generating landing page designer. Pwede din sales generating landing page designer. Pwede din customer retaining landing page designer. But as you can see, a simple tweak dun sa offer mo or dun sa position mo already gave the business owners the idea, okay, ganun pala yung specialty niya. So ngayon, para na tayong mga doctors, hindi na tayo yung mga, okay, doctor yan. Pwede na tayong tawagin, okay, cardiologist yan. So yung ginawa natin is nirelate lang natin sa income stream. Okay? So sa mga gustong maging landing page designer dito, please, start calling yourselves as lead generating landing page designers. Para at least kung may makakita sa inyong client, they know what specific income stream problem you are solving. Para hindi kayo nila baratin. Okay? Para hindi natin ma-attract yung mga Barack Obama. Okay?
Correct.
Yes, yun yung gagawin lang natin. Ganun lang ka-simple. I-change lang yung positioning nyo, lead generating landing page, and then you're good. That's fine already. Okay na yun. Okay? Proceed na tayo. Now, the next is, pero Errol, what are the qualifications to become a premium landing page designer? Again, the keyword here is premium landing page designer. Ano yung qualifications? Now, ito yung 3 limiting beliefs of aspiring landing page designers. Yung logic nila palagi is, hindi ako magiging premium, hindi ako makaka-charge ng malaki kasi nga, I don't have a design background and my design is ugly. Now, pwede tayong bumalik sa kaninang binigay ko na example sa inyo, yung aesthetically pleasing versus aesthetically unpleasant. Pero performance-wise, mas maganda yung pangit. So, kumbaga, para sa akin, eradicated na tong limiting belief. But still, we're gonna be discussing this. The next limiting belief is, I don't have a programming background. Hindi ako techie. And then the next is, I don't have a portfolio and experience. So, guys, I'm telling you na design background is just a bonus. Having a design background is just a bonus. Kasi it's not just the typeface, the design trend, the colors that businesses are paying. It's the result that your design can help them in their business. Okay? Hindi lang yung design, yung nila, yung binabayaran nila. Most of the time, they're always after with the result that you can give them. Okay? Kumbaga, for me, what's the point of having the best font if hindi naman siya nakakabenta? Wala siyang sense, di ba? As compared, okay, I'm using Comic Sans, but it's generating me millions. Clients would pay you higher kahit ganun kapangit yung ginamit yung typeface. Pero yun, design background is just a bonus. And of course, for the people who are saying na programming background, here's what you need to know. Knowing how to code is just a bonus as well, but it's not required to start. Kasi most of the landing page builders right now, they are no-code landing page builders. In short, those tools allow you to create live and functioning landing page without needing to write a single line of code. Now, you might be asking, Errol, bakit sinasabi mo no-code platforms? Bakit mo nire-recommend yung mga no-code platforms? So guys, ito pa rin yung example ko sa inyo. Kunyari, may ubo kayo ngayon. Ano yung bibilhin yung gamot? Yung gamot na it would take you 5 days before kayo maging okay, or bibili kayo ng gamot na 1,000 pesos siya, pero it would just take you 5 minutes and then wala ka ng ubo. Most probably, you're gonna be answering me, dun ako sa 5 minutes lang. Same din sa mga landing page builders. Most of the clients would prefer using landing page builders that's not technical. Okay? Kasi gusto din nila na madali lang ma-implement. Kasi yung goal nila is to get the return on investment fast. And yun, that's why I've been telling na okay lang na no-code landing page builders yung gamitin nyo. And then at the same time, kahit hindi nyo alam mag-code. I'm not saying na hindi nyo talaga kailangan kasi mas maganda na marunong kayo ng konti, but it's not required to start. And then yun nga, if you're gonna be asking ano yung magagandang tool na pwede nyong pagpraktisan, pwede kayo sa Canva, pwede kayo swipe pages, pwede kayong mag-unbounce, pwede kayong mag-click funnels, and then pwede kayong mag-system IO. Okay? Now, yung iba naman na nagsasabi na, Errol, okay lang pala na hindi ako designer, and then okay lang pala na wala akong programming background. Pero Errol, gusto kong mag-start, pero hindi ako, kumbaga wala akong portfolio, Errol. Wala akong portfolio. Now, here's my analogy again to you. I want you to imagine something. Kunyari, gutom na gutom ka na, and then pumunta ka sa mall, and then you wanted to eat pizza. And when you arrive at the mall, this is what happened next. Merong dalawang salesperson na nag-approach sa'yo. Salesperson A gives you a flyer. They're claiming na, oh, dito ka pre, masarap yung pizza namin. And then salesperson B gives you a free slice of pizza. Now I'm gonna be asking you, sino yung mas papaniwalaan mo? Yung flyer giver or si free slice of pizza giver? Portfolio is just like a flyer. Kahit gumawa tayo ng portfolio, we don't have any guarantee na yung sample na ibibigay natin kay client, it's the one that they need. Okay? As compared to free slice of pizza na talagang customized siya, and then masasabi ko na Okay, masarap pala siya. So, paano natin yun marirelate sa landing page design? Number one, when a client asks for your portfolio, they're just asking kung what assurance can you give me that you can really deliver. And on our end, dun sa CDPH, what we always preach, what we always encourage is that give out free site audit or give out free check-up of landing page. I-check mo yung landing page. Now, if hindi nyo alam paano mag-audit, I want you to go to my YouTube channel, Errol Tiozon, and then meron doon featured na video. It's a 40-minute video. Andun yung script, andun yung kailangan yung tingnan sa parts ng landing page. Like, the step-by-step process in auditing a landing page, it's already there. It's just up to you kung paano nyo i-implement. But, so far, a lot of our members are getting results, getting clients even if they are new, using that specific script on YouTube. It's free. You can go there. And then, of course, kung andun na kayo, your subscription would definitely help me para mas maka-reach pa ng maraming Filipino creatives. So, yun. Ito, si Zai, ito yung isang example. I asked her, Zai, nagbibigay ka ba ng portfolio? And then, sabi niya, most of the time daw, hindi siya nagbibigay ng portfolio. And then, may times na hindi na siya nagbibigay ng audit, pero nagbibigay pa rin siya ng audit. 2 beses siya nagbigay ng audit and nakukuha niyang client. So, ganun ka-powerful. Why? Kasi nga, when you give an audit to a client, mas nare-relate nila na, okay, ganito pala yung problem ng landing page ko. As compared, you give out a sample na parang, how is this related to my landing page? Wala. Walang connection. Pero if you give out an audit, parang, okay, ito pala yung problem ng landing page ko. Kasi ito yung pinoint out ni Errol. So ganun, it's just 5 minutes to do. Gamit kayo ng Loom. Paano nga ba makakuha ng landing page client? Alright? So, we need to approach the 3F. Okay? Meron tayong tinatawag na 3F. Ito lang yung i-approach natin. 3F are family and their friends. And then, of course, friends and their friends. And then yung last is freelance marketplaces. Why are we having this conversation na 3F? Kasi people buy from the people they know, they like, trust, or if it's urgent. So meaning kulto. Kulto yung acronym. Kulto. Know, like, trust, and urgent. So sa family and friends, and then friends of their friends, when you ask for a referral from your family and then their friends or your friends, they already know you. Some of them like you, and they already trust you. Pero hindi yan ibig sabihin urgent. Pero at least you already hit the 3 things. Now, sa freelance marketplaces, they do not know you. They might not like you yet. They might not trust you yet, but they have an urgent need. That's the reason why they are posting their jobs, right, on freelance marketplaces. That's why they're looking for freelancers. Kasi nga, they have urgent need. Now, if you want to get clients, ito yung i-approach nyo. Now, you might be asking, pero Errol, paano ko naman i-approach yung family ko? Ano yung script? Ano yung gagawin ko? Paano yun? Pag andun na ako sa freelance marketplaces, ano yung gagawin ko? Ano yung proposal ko? So guys, I got your back. Pero papakita ko lang muna to sa inyo. Basically, yung logic natin dito is we want to leverage our network. Okay? So, yung gagawin natin is you asking your family or friend so that they could refer you to their network. Okay? So, ganun siya. Para siyang, hindi naman siya pyramid scheme, pero pwedeng ganun. Okay? Pero yun nga, you are leveraging their network. So, here's how to approach family and friends. Guys, kindly screenshot this para at least meron kayong script. So, sa pag-approach ng family and friends, itatag-alog ko na lang, pero yun. Basically, yung ginagawa natin dito is sasabihin lang natin na, oy, auntie, I'm wanting to, nag-start na kasi ako mag-shift ng freelance skill ko and nag-offer na ako ngayon ng landing page design. And nag-wonder lang ako, by any chance may kakilala ka bang negosyante na nangangailangan ng ganong service? I can give them a free check-up dahil auntie kita. And then at the same time, by the way, auntie, pag ma-refer mo ako, maging client ko yung friend mo, I can give you a 20% commission for finder's fee. So, ganun yung style para i-refer ka talaga ng friends mo or family mo. You give them a commission. Okay? Now, kung i-English natin yun, hey name, I'm taking a new direction in my freelance business and will now offer landing page design. And I'm just wondering, by any chance, do you know anyone that may need such service? I'd love to give them a free audit. Okay? So yun. Now, you might be asking, paano naman i-approach sa freelance marketplaces? Now guys, you might notice na yung sentence ko dito sa first is, would you be open if I give you a free audit on how you can increase your conversion? Dun sa Upwork guys, when you post or when you type in a proposal, ang nakikita lang talaga ng mga clients is the first 140 characters. Kaya if papansinin nyo, wala ditong nakalagay na, hey name, walang ganun. Diretso, would you be open if I give you a free audit on how you can increase your conversion? Kasi eto siyang statement na to, it passes the 140 characters. Okay? Para eto kaagad yung makikita. And then guys, so far, from the 517 members ng group namin, na pro group members, I think around 54% are nagamit yung ganito, pero syempre may konti silang edit. Pero yung ganitong script, they have clients now using the same script. So, around 54%, meaning it works. 'Di ba? Pasado siya sa 140 characters, and at the same time, bakit question? Bakit hindi, hi, you need to hire me. I am great at Photoshop. Hindi ganun. Yung ginawa dito is, would you be open? Kasi, when a client, when you talk to a client and you put them na sila yung bida, sila yung spotlight, would you be open? Ganun, na it's all about them. They are more convinced na makipag-work sa'yo because they feel that they are being heard. They feel that you care about them. Kaya ganun yung pagka-position niya. Okay? Would you be open? And then of course, dahil nga, may times kasi na pag nagbibigay ng free yung isang tao, ang question natin palagi is, okay, may binibigay siya, ano yung ulterior motive ng taong to? So, yan yung answer natin sa baba. I'm a big believer of giving value first and for you to see if I'm the right fit for the role you posted. In short, hey client, bigyan kita ng free audit, ikaw yung mag-judge kung okay yung audit ko or hindi. Kung hindi siya valuable, that's fine. Okay? Pero I'm just a big believer of giving value first. It's up to you to judge. And then of course, yung last is call to action. Looking forward to see if I can help you out in your business. Pero yun nga, in-address na natin yung ano yung ulterior motive mo. I'm a big believer of giving value first and for you to see if I'm the right fit for the role you posted. In short, hindi ka desperate dito. And the more na hindi ka nagpapakita ng desperate ka, makes it enticing for clients to work with you. Kasi they would feel na, okay, tong approach na to parang hindi siya pushy. I can say no. Pero nangyayari, they don't know na nagkikick in yung utang na loob or yung reciprocity. Na parang, for some weird reason, even if they don't work with you, they would refer you to their friends. So, ganun ka-powerful si script. Okay? Guys, kindly screenshot this. And then again, if you don't know how to do an audit, punta lang kayo sa YouTube channel ko, andun yun. Okay? Yung featured na video, andun siya. Now, you might be asking, okay, Errol, convinced na ako, alam ko na paano mag-approach, and then alam ko na yung mga tools na gagamitin ko, and then alam ko na din na hindi dapat design lang yung focus ko, kailangan result. Ang question ko ngayon is, how can I create a landing page that generates result? Yan yung problem ko, Errol. Okay? Now, eto yung ultimate landing page formula. Ang andito is important elements of a landing page. May blueprint din on how to arrange the landing page sections to be persuasive. And then of course, meron tayong 7 questions to ask prospect to immediately position yourself as a landing page designer na expert. Okay? And then free siya. Isa siyang swipe file. It's a framework. Andun lahat. May question siya. Paano i-arrange yung landing page, and then yung mga important elements, okay? And you can download it here. Go here and then mada-download nyo yung free framework na yan or free swipe file. Hopefully, you found this valuable. And guys, if you want to learn more about landing page design or the business of landing page design na medyo deeper pa, you can go to our Facebook group. You can join there, Conversion Designers PH, free group. And then if you wanna, if you wanna learn more, I'm trying to post content more on YouTube. You can follow me. You can search for Errol Tiozon. And then of course sa TikTok, sobrang bago pa lang ako doon. And then by the way, hindi ako sumasayaw kasi hindi ako marunong sumayaw. Pero you can still follow me, Errol Tiozon din. So yun yung mga social channels ko, guys. And I want to say thank you to you, Miss Aiza. Sobrang amazed na amazed ako sa Graphic Artists Philippines na group. Na-share ko din to kasi sa team ko na I didn't expect na from being a member, tapos ngayon naging guest speaker. So talagang amazing yung journey. And then of course, I want to thank MSI for having this event to allow us to share knowledge to other freelance creatives as well. Yun, thank you so much for being with us ngayon dahil you spent your valuable time with us para matutunan yung business of landing page design. So yun, thank you so much.